Siyakhuleka kunina besilo, siyakhuleka kunina bendlela manje emakhosi, igama lami uSabelo Mnikati, i-TV channel eMgedeni podcast. Kutumela abaningi ngesenzo sikangizwe emchuno sokulaxaza iMarch and March. Abantu abaningi bamatanisa lokhu njenganokulaxaza umzabalazo. Ungizwe emchuno uveza ukuthi kwakubekwe usuku lomnqamlajuqu lamhla ka-30 ukuthi kuyobe sekugcina ukuthi kumasho. Uthi yena asekubhikile manje ukuhlomula emva kokuba sebegijime iSouth Africa yonke bemasha. Isikhathi sokuthi yena ahlomule manje. uMacingwana ubeke kanje.
Hey, accept. Hey. Yini lakha wena? Bafethu hey. Yaza kwethu. Esekuhlwile. Umsomluko. Mhla 27 July 2026. Nakanjani ke nganza kwethu ngithi ke siphuma lapha eRichards Bay ukuthi ke lapha siyolwa nesimo sabasebenzi ngumhlukumezeka kwabo enkampanini abayisebenzelayo engaphansi kwa Transnet. Siyathemba ke ukuthi umlayezo usudlulisile uzozwakala. Njoba ngikhuluma ke nje lezi ndaba ngikhuluma lezi ndaba ngokukhulu ukujabula ukuthi emveni kokumasha kwethu isikhathi eside kangaka 1000 marches across South Africa akadenzeka ekwazi wafika umhla ka-30 owabekwa njengelanga futhi ke elingumnqamlajuqu futhi likhuthaza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe abangenamaphepha. Sikuthokozelile kakhulu lokho futhi manje sekuthele ithelo ngoba iqiniso limile as much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa. Iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa abafowethu silitha labo yonke lento ukuthi adewethu uMangobese noMfowethu Phakela abalazi ijele and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation, limelight, relevancy, and everything. I'm no longer excited. I'm visionary. I know what to do and when to do it. So where someone is weaker, someone has to protect each other. Someone has to elevate each other. So this is the position I'm taking. And on social media platforms, they may be there to say whatever they want to say because of the likes, because of the relevancies, because of abantu befuna ukuthi bahole ekugcineni kosuku ama-views. So i-country is not about views. I-country is a very serious matter. We are serious about liberating our own country called South Africa. Njengamanje ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi kwi-Gauteng province uhulumeni wakhona has responded. Ulokhunjana ucommissioner was Gauteng esasinaye simasha eHebrew simasha eUval responded. He's called me ukuthi naye no station manager was eHebrew, no station manager was eUval. Neinduna zaseUval sengikhulumile nazo nezaseHebrew nezaseJipi naseGauteng yonkana jikelele esasinazo umhla ka-30. Ngithi bafowethu asipheleleni ngolwesithathu ngo-9 siyomukela imbali zethu, siyomukela ama-result okumasha kwethu ngoba we can't march forever but we must march for the reason now and for the change, not for complainants, but we march to the greener pastures. The greener pastures is to receive ukuthi after we have placed a memorandum uhulumeni waseGauteng uthini. Ngiyawubonga to respond ngolesithathu ngo-9 ekuseni zonke induna esasinazo umhla ka-30 esasigijima nazo estradini, sasigijima nazo ey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene, nazo zonke iy'nsizwa zama-security esasinazo eGoli ngomhla ka-30 esathembisana ukuthi bafana bakithi siyofa la ndawonye. Siyacela ukuthi sibe khona ngolwesithathu siyozwa ukuthi ngempela uresponde uthini kithina ucommissioner, uresponda kuthina ustation manager waseHeathrow, uresponde uthini ustation manager waseUval ngaso sonke isigameko saseGauteng sokuthi kube nama illegal occupants emabhilidini, kube nama drugs ko Heathrow, kube ne prostitutions eke ko Heathrow na ko UVal, yonke indawo ko ko Sunnyside. So into enjengaleyo now ke isifikile. Njengongizwa umlando wamchunu as a normal citizen of South Africa, I'm here to declare that I will be the part of that, because imina kuphela owayekhona kuma leaders akhona senior eGauteng umhla 30, imina futhi ozobe khona ekuthenini ngikwazi ukuyo receive irespond evela ku station commander kanye no commissioner ne Gauteng province as a whole, ukuthi reactor ethini kulesimo esikhala ngaso si country si South Africa singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uPanyaza ukuthi uboli bakho bume ngalendlela obume ngayo, futhi nawe uzame kunzima kunjalo ukuthi uhlakule isimo siye phambili. Namanje ke siya encourage ukuthi all other provinces noba umuntu siyambona naye uyakwazi ukuthi a react entweni enjengalezi sikhala ngazo si country si South Africa. Siyakubonga kakhulu Mphemba kuthithe kandlela kodwa sikufuna manje u-action namanye ama-province siyawa-encourage to do the same. Siyabonga kakhulu ngenza kwethu, sicela ukuthi sihlangane sonke ngensoza kithi sibambe ngomthetho omdala kaMose Gauteng ngolwesithathu ngo-8 ekseni kwamayimayi siyasuka sibheka eHeathrow, suke eHeathrow sithi UVal, sihlangane no station commander wakhona eHeathrow, sihlangane no station commander wakhona eUval neinduna zakhona nazo zonke induna esasinazo kwi-Gauteng province zibe khona, si witness the history. We march for the change. We are not marching just to sweat.